Crypto Hero here, Crypto Bros, and today we're talking about the top 4 coins that I think you should have in your portfolio for 2024. The coins will be ranked from the safest to the most risky. Every coin that I'll talk about in this video, I'm personally invested in. I'm doing this video because I think I can give you a perspective, or my perspective, better said, that might help you build a strong portfolio for the next bull market and, of course, to build a portfolio where the risk of losing money is low. By the way, this video should be your first step of your own research of every coin. I don't suggest you go straight and put your money into the coins that I'll be talking about. I really want you to do some more research after you watch the video and understand what you're actually investing in. I could tell you to invest in Ethereum or Bitcoin, or indeed the risk is low, but I guess we want to make some gains in the bull market, so the first coin I'll talk about is Lido DAO, or LDO. Pay attention, while I'm actually talking about LDO is because the project itself is strongly related to Ethereum, which is the second biggest coin after Bitcoin, and personally, I don't see a future of this crypto space without Ethereum. If Ethereum is going to perform well in the bull market, LDO will follow no matter what. Moreover, this is a new coin, a key element you should be looking at for the next bull market, as I said before, because the coins with the biggest gains in the bull market are the new coins. Just wanted to highlight this at the beginning, so you always keep this in mind if you're looking for more higher reward projects. LDO looks really strong in terms of the ideation behind the project. It's a liquid staking solution for Ethereum. It lets you stake Ethereum with no minimum deposits or maintaining of infrastructure. The LDO's price is at $1.54 with a market cap of $1.3 billion. And as always, let's see where I'm buying the coin for long-term accumulation. Looking at the chart on the weekly time frame, as you can see, the price holds above the $1.50 zone for a long time, but the zone was broken recently, which could lead to lower prices soon. As well, we can see the trend line, which was broken as well once we lost the $1.50 zone, the trend line which was made of the latest lows on the weekly. How I see the price moving right now is to hit the lower zone between $1.34 and $1.28. Have a little bounce back to the $1.50 zone, fake out, and from there to go to the zone from the latest low where we can accumulate for a long term. An important zone as resistance for long term is the one from $2.80, and the next one above being the $3.80 where it was the all-time high. If we get to the 97-cent zone, I'd be really happy to accumulate a lot more. Everything under or around this zone is the ideal buy. It's a great project, good zones to buy soon. Personally, I'll keep an eye on this project not only this month, but for the bull market phase as well. By the way, guys, I've released a crypto portfolio guide for budgets ranging from $3,000 to $5,000. As many of you have asked me, how would I invest in this bear market to make lots of money if I had anywhere between $3,000 or $5,000 available to invest? You'll get a 12-page PDF where you can find the coins to invest in, how much to invest in every coin, and buy and sell zones. It's available now for $50, link in the description. Next coin that I'm really hungry to accumulate this bear market is INJ, or Injective, which stays strong. And even if we talk about the idea behind the coin, the innovation, active users, the project is just at another level. Moreover, how the price chart is looking, down. Just because of the price chart, you can tell the project itself will make you lots of money in the bull cycle. One of the main things that is really impressive and really important at the same time is that they've bought the first SVM machine into the Cosmos ecosystem thanks to their tech. They've now got an incredible grant system in place, which is via their own sort of venture capital group, and their ecosystem has boomed. Injective is one of those that feels like a certainty. It's going to break through its previous high, it really does, and we're going to see why soon. So Injective right now is at $7.29. I remember last time I talked about it, it was $6.50. Total supply will be 100 million. Right now, they have in circulation 83 million coins. Now, Injective's blockchain is built for finance, the first thing that is said on their website. Injective is an open, interoperable layer 1 like Ethereum, Cosmos, etc. Injective uniquely provides a powerful core financial infrastructure primitives that applications can leverage, including a fully decentralized MEV-resistant on-chain order book. Now, they've already enabled the growth of spot DEXs, and we've seen derivative exchanges off the back of Injective. And now we see cross-chain bridging as a result of Injective as well. The throughput is pretty damn good. They can get up to 10,000 transactions per second. Their ecosystem now boasts over 100 different projects and has massive investors like Binance, Pantera, and Mark Cuban. Keep in mind that the project is new, and every cycle we can see the pattern that the new projects that appear in the bear market phase tend to do massive gains for you. Big money. Now let's take a look at the chart and see the buy zones where I'm aiming to buy. Look how close to the all-time high the project is. Is there a project with such a market cap in the same situation? On the weekly time frame, we can see that the price stays above the $7.20 zone. It seems like we're in a triangle right now, likely to see lower zones, taking into consideration how the Bitcoin dominance looks. A close buy zone to the price is the one from $6.60 and $5.40, where I've already bought last month. Personally, I won't buy if we enter the zone again. I'll wait for the next buy zone, this one, where I'm aiming to do a strong buy if the dip happens, and of course, if we get the chance to buy more in these zones, I won't hesitate to buy. The price action seems really strong. To get better prices, I think something needs to happen, like a big decrease on Bitcoin, most probably. With the hype at the beginning of the year, I can't not talk about Render. The project is so damn fire. The team did everything perfectly, and they set up a system that everyone wants to use for pretty damn good reasons. The buybacks that they've done have been insanely profitable, and you really need to give credit to the team because what they're producing is something else, something phenomenal. Render Token is a distributed GPU rendering network, so it's built on top of Ethereum, and the whole premise is to connect artists and studios that are in need of a GPU power with the mining partners that want to rent out their GPU capabilities. Payments are stored in escrow during the rendering process, and once the rendering is confirmed, the payments are released out of escrow. The whole system is really powerful. Incredible work done by the people behind the project. The rendering stuff will be in a lot of demand in the future, and we've already seen a big increase in the last 20 years. For the entertainment industry, these kinds of features are vital. Time to go to the price chart and see where my next accumulation zones or buy zones are, the zones where the risk-reward ratio is its best. On the weekly, we're above the first support zone, the one between $1.58 and $1.63. If the price continues to rise, we can see a rejection from the zone between $2 and $2.20. If we break the support, my buy will be at $1.10 support, followed by another buy at 92 cents. Everything under these zones is like honey. The last coin is ARB or Arbitrum. Really like the project, and I have a pretty big percentage of my portfolio in it. Again, a new project that has launched this bear market and hasn't had any bull runs. It's an important thing to know when looking for the best high-risk, high-reward projects. Personally, I am so bullish on Arbitrum. The project itself is new, getting a lot of attention already, and the technology behind it is brilliant. At its core, Arbitrum is more than just a coin. It's a solution that aims to revolutionize the way we experience smart contracts by focusing on scalability and efficiency. Moreover, Arbitrum strives to enhance the capabilities of Ethereum's smart contract ecosystem. This pursuit of efficiency and scalability could potentially lead to faster transactions and reduced fees, offering users a more seamless experience. One of the most compelling aspects of Arbitrum is its optimistic roll-up technology. This innovative approach allows the platform to process transactions off-chain while ensuring security and finality on the Ethereum mainnet. This means that users can potentially enjoy the benefits of faster and cheaper transactions without compromising on the security provided by the Ethereum network. If we go to DeFi Llama, we can see Arbitrum at number 4 and 460 protocols, over 100,000 users with a really great TVL, and of course that's why it's in the top 4. In terms of TVL, we can see here that it is constantly growing and had just a bit of a drop after the airdrop, but then the TVL increased a lot in comparison with other projects where their TVL just died after the airdrop. These kinds of new coins that have launched before the next bull market will always have the biggest chance to get the highest ROI. We can see on the chart that we're heading to the 75-cent support, a great buy zone. Another buy can be around 62 cents, and if we see a big down movement, we can buy the all-time low, the 50-cent zone. Alright, these are the top 4 coins that, in my perspective, you must have in your bag for the next bull market. All of them matching for a low-risk portfolio as well as for a high-risk one. By the way, if you want to watch my top 10 coins to buy in 2023, check out this video.